General store. A general store was built here in 1914 and was the largest emporium in Beech Forest. David Crosby managed the store, having relocated the business from the first store built in 1899 on Gardner Hill. As with many businesses and services, the general store was originally located in the Ditchley Park Hotel. Crosby retired in 1921, and from there a succession of owners and managers included Wilhelmina Young, Jim and Sis Fry, Ron and Beat Waddle, Charles and Ethel Walton, and Bill and Edith Nidblett. In 1956, part of the building collapsed, reducing the interior space by half. For the next 2 decades, it became an important commercial business and meeting place for the community. During Fry's ownership in the mid-40s, deliveries were introduced. Each day of the week, deliveries occurred from the shop to the different streets around town and beyond. 5 women were employed to pack the orders that were telephoned through. The men would then load up their bicycles and make the deliveries. The petrol Bowser is what remains of this business. The original Bowser panels have been kindly donated to the Otway District's Historical Society. The image on this sign is a photograph of Crosby's store circa 1915 after relocation from Gardner Hill.